Yummy, yummy.
Alright, well, dry fit it first. You've got the old fan or air conditioner, whatever you've got on your van, get that out of the way, get it cleaned up. You definitely want the hinge toward the front of the van. So that'll sit in there just like so. Perfect. Nice continuous bead all the way around inside the screw holes. You see how I was leaning my caulk gun there to push down on the inside and squeeze it out. Bugger's gonna drip on me. Here we get the wires in first. And there. Obviously we're going to have to cut this down on the bottom side, and we weren't able to push it in that far, so yeah, I'm going to cut off about right at these lines. So that edge doesn't need to be real perfect because it's going up inside of here, kind of like that. And when the ceiling is on, it'll sit down here about like this and get screwed onto the ceiling. Ta-da! Done. Alas, we have the fan installed. The rain has not cooperated with us. We weren't able to get the van painted. We weren't able to get the fan installed. Finally, we've got the fan installed. Off. Air in high. Air in medium. Turn it around. Air out high, medium, and low. Of course, oops, close the lid down here all the way. The fan shuts off. as one would hope, so you don't forget it and leave it sitting there doing nothing. We'll just open that up and it starts back up.
Pretty nice. I like that it switches between in and out pretty quickly too.
Yeah.
Pretty much on demand. My current MaxxAir, you have to wait for the fan to spin down and stop all the way before it starts again. The screen here looks like it might be removable, but we tried.
Yeah, removable for cleaning, but I'm gonna say you need a pry tool to get in there for that, because doing this, I'm gonna break it.
From the outside of the van, it's pretty quiet. Definitely looks attractive. I like the semi-transparent black top to it. Now that we're away from the van a little bit, you don't even hear it running. I mean, obviously you can see the hatch open, but you don't even hear it from here.